All right, so in this lesson here, we're going to be talking about the Monogram It app and how you can utilize it with the Cricut Design Space, okay? So on an iPhone or even an Android device, you'll have this program here called Monogram It. Now, they do have two options here for you, and I'm just going to show you the light version. They do have the light version, which is free, and they also have the paid version, which is 99 cents, okay? So with the light version, I'm going to go ahead and launch the app here. And what you're going to have to do first is up in the top right corner, you have the plus button. And that plus button will allow us to add some text. Down here at the bottom here, we have the ABC, and you do have some options here, but we're going to focus on the monogram, which is the AWH. And I'm going to go ahead and type in DEW. Now, that looks great. However, whenever we're talking about tracing, we need to have a dark image, okay? And the darker the better, so we're going to choose the color black. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the apply button in the top right, and you'll see our little color slider that we have right here, and I'm going to slide it all the way over to the black. And now we have our letters the way we want, and the trace should pick this up no problem in Cricut Design Space. So we have that selected. I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. Now, it says here it's been saved to my camera roll, and we have several options in here to choose from on how we're going to get this from the phone to the actual computer so we can upload it to Cricut Design Space, okay? So let's go ahead and do that right now. So with the export button down here in the bottom left, we do have several options available. We do have the mail function on here, and we can email it to ourselves. So that's what most of you may do. I currently have my AirDrop set up on my Mac, and I can go ahead and touch this top button up here, the RV, and as you can see, it has now been sent to my computer. But most of you guys, you'll probably use the Mail app, okay? So now that we have our image, let's go ahead and get it into Cricut Design Space. All right, so now we're in Design Space. Let's go ahead and get that monogram into Design Space. Now, it all depends on how you sent this to yourself, whether it be via an email or via AirDrop like I did in the video. So you want to download the image somehow. So if you were in an email and you emailed it to yourself, download the attachment because we need to upload it, okay? So I'm going to go to Upload Images. I'm going to go ahead and upload the image. I'm going to go ahead and choose Browse. And now I'm looking for that PNG file that I had. And this one is mine right here. I'm going to go ahead and click Open. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and click this right here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Continue. And with this magic little wand here, as soon as I zoom out, I want to go ahead and select all the white. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select the white, and that will be transparent. Now, also, if you have letters that are all the way closed, you want to select the white inside as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and we should see that disappear. Now we have a nice transparency. We have the nice black letters. If you want to get the warm and fuzzy feeling, you can go ahead and click the preview, but I think we're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. All right, so we have two options. You know, we have the save as, print, then cut image, or we're going to save this as a cut image. So I'm going to choose the cut image. That's how I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. Of course, you can name it whatever you wish up here. And we can call this Do Monogram. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now we have it in our system. All we have to do is place it on our mat, okay? And that's the next portion of this after it is saved. All right, so here it is. I'm going to go ahead and make sure it has that green check mark. I'm going to go ahead and insert the image. And now it is ready to cut. And all I have to do is click go. And as you can see, it's on the mat just as advertised. All right, so hopefully this helps you utilize your Cricut Design Space and that free app so that you can go ahead and design your own monograms for Cricut Design Space.